You're top of the monkey. Check. All right. I'm like, why it sound like that? It was because I had the mic. I had two mics on, but I fixed it. It is what it is. But top of the monkey. Hopefully you're having a great morning. We just get straight into it. Definitely look like we're about to open in premium. That's where we are. I'm gonna go ahead and mark up my chart before I have NQ and ES all together. So yeah, give me a few. We will have 8 a.m. here. as well. Big difference in NQ and ES. We had a buy side efficiency sell time balance hit like a 1 hour. Busy hit that 8 a.m. hit and then rejected up and rally. Let's go ahead and mark up these highs. It was Monday. I'm gonna have to go check on my cat because he's crying, bro. I need to figure out if that nigga's hungry or something. Monday, the 10th. Alright, be right back. Cause if not, this crying gonna have me going crazy. Welcome in. Yep, he was definitely hungry. He sounded like he was starving himself. Alright, so I like these right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, if price do continue to go up higher, which is possible, we could run up to these because we definitely ran up high. You definitely ran at least. Let me see. We are in 985. 9, yeah, we're right now too. 984. Four, 94, 94. You ran 341 handles on ES. Oh, excuse me, on NQ. Alright, those mosquitoes made me tight. Hopefully he just leaves. And then yeah, bro, stupid. There's a whole mosquito in the crib. It's gonna be tight. And then 35 for NQ. I mean yes. So right now I'm currently going over a video I watched on ICT about how 120 handles could be a possibility. What price could we go ahead and, for example, like today we open in premium, could hit only the top of our fib, so the top quadrant, and one second. And if it's 20 to 75 handles, it will basically be that we could reach at least 100 to the 50%. But if it continues going up higher, it could mean that we just wait for a London high, relative equal high, to be hit. Anywhere around 6 a.m. to 1 second. I'm kind of marking up and speaking at the same time. Anywhere from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. on those times. And I'm just marking up my, what is the open here? 91.75. So I think I'm marking up that. One second. Let's open here. Hopefully there's mosquito left. And then the last one is 75 to 100, no more than 100 and below. It could be that it could go either direction. Just depending on economic calendar, seasonal tendency, and market structure. So I'm gonna mark up this one just because I like it. And then if it continue to move further down, then we'll fix that. And I'm just making markups. That's why I haven't shown my other chart here. We do have already our first present FUG. I'm gonna go ahead and dive that in there. And down so you guys can see. 350, 77. I want to go this down a little bit more. Have to load down the music because now YouTube later is gonna tell me copyright, and then I gotta delete that. Nah, it's too much. 64.75, 32.25. Alright, so both had a inverted FEG formed at 9:31. So make sure I mark that up. Alright. So this was the 1 hour that I was speaking about in NQ that we had off 8 a.m. and then ran up to Monday the 10th, high of London, and we also ran out previous highs. I mean, as of now, we're looking like we were forming this 1 hour, so I'm just letting it do her thing. I did mention that I do like how we have these relative equal highs set on NQ. I mean, ES, excuse me. Just in case it wants to continue going up higher. Right now, I'm also looking at the fact that it is more than 120 handles on NQ, and we open in premium. The possibility that we will not get filled, and then I want to see the behavior that NQ, that ES, obtained from NQ not doing so. I mean, he did mention that it could be filled in a later day or week. So all that, I'm putting that into play. I did make my first briefcase yesterday, studying that. So because yesterday we didn't have not even 120 handles. It was like 20 to 70. It was like 85 for NQ or 75. I'm not sure, but we did get the filled. Okay. So both again, like that 931. We do have an hour inversion, and we just tap on the 930 opening gap on ES. Right now I'm looking at the behavior that we obtained from our first present FEG. I'm not in a rush because to get into this sell here, for the simple fact that it is a 1 hour inversion. So if it is gonna continue going low, I want to see it at least be trading below this 1 hour. Trying to become as patient as I can, because patience is what's gonna patience gonna be is gonna be key. Well, it is key for being a consistent, long-term trader. Psychology comes next. Well, it's all in it. Anyways, you guys can see we are pushing down lower from our first present FEG. Not really touching. Not really. Oops. Okay, it is pushing lower, so right now we are not in sync though. I wish they didn't have this 1 hour inversion in here, if I'm honest with you. Like I was never there. Both of them is, excuse me, both of them are pushing lower from our first present FEG. I want to give it more time. Let me see. We did have news at 8:30. We had CPI, and we are going to be having news, but again, it's going to be later in the nighttime. So let's just wait and see what we get offer. I don't know. Break. We do have a break here. Low, high. Yeah. Low, high, high breakthrough. I mean, high, low, high breakthrough. Not really so on IQ, but is it? Yeah. We have a low, a high, and then a breakthrough. Oh, there you go. Like, froze on me. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mark up this 1 hour here as well. There's the high, it is 84.25. The low, 909. I know y'all can hear my cat. He's gonna be trying to come into my room because I don't allow him in there. Okay. I like the fact I marked this up. I just noticed that we had traded swim through this at 8 a.m. this 1 hour. We do have a small one here, but I like this one because it ran it took out these lows. So let's see what we get. If she continue to push down lower, higher. Now they both have one. Oh, Lord Jesus, thank you. I gotta get a new chair, dogs. This is my regular trading hour chart. You have NQ on my right, my left, excuse me, and then ES on my left. This is yesterday closing price 414 and today 930. Same thing. And here's what I was saying. The reason why I have it over there because the opening price is up here, not down here, even though it's a green is a bullish candle. You guys can see it. Yeah, there we go. Right up top. 91.75, 91.50. Yeah, I get the point. Same thing here. 91.25, around there. Honestly, if she does push higher, then most likely it's going to be up to these all-time highs up here, formed on August 5th during the opening about 9 a.m. Again, doesn't mean that it's going to leave it open. It's just a possibility that it could leave the gap open. So I'm just trying to see if I can get more confirmation on price pushing down lower. And at least we'll be having these periods closing price as our target since the 931 already has gotten hit. It's just going down a down motion, and I want to see some sort of displacement aggressively, not this. This is right here. It's not getting my attention, and I do sometimes fall into this when I lose the plot that I get into a trade. It takes me out, and then I get in again, and it takes me out, and then I see this, and I think that every little move, it's gonna go ahead and push down lower. Like if I would have gone from here and it would have taken me out, then when it came back into it, usually I got the habit to get in it again instead of waiting, for extra confirmation if I'm not sure. That's what we are continuing to practice here. You guys can see here is a lot of up and down. And this one as well here. Yesterday I was looking into it, and I believe, let me see, yeah, only wicked. Only wicked that 1 hour. Okay, now we're starting to push up a little high. I want to see now what happens will take place. Another thing that I want to start implementing is waiting for a displacement like this instead of just going into getting into trades if there's no displacement. So I want to see if I can get some sort of displacement. We did have NQ turn our first presenter FEG into an inverted FEG. I'm not gonna touch that. It's too big of a stop loss. Oh, we do have some run on stop taken out. Displacement, same thing here. Took that stop out. They didn't take this one out. And display. So I'm gonna see if we could get some sort of retracement. This is a good one too. We do have. We are gonna be going into the micro. Let me see what would be the big stop loss, man. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this. Bro, this mosquito's getting me annoyed. Jesus. I'm gonna open the door again because I want to see if it leaves. So I'm gonna go. I'm taking this buy here. Again, it might not go against. It might go against us, but again, I'm going based off the 1 hour here. If it takes us out, then I want to see her trade below and continue trading below, and then come back and give us a retracement into this displacement here we got. Then I'll go ahead and see if we could get some sort of move lower. Right, so I'm gonna be getting taken out of this first trade. What am I doing? Okay, here's what it is. Look what happened here. Did it on ES and it has not taken us out. Why? Why not? Bro, what the fuck? Yo, this is crazy. I don't know if y'all seen it. It didn't even take us out. Slipperidge. That's crazy, man. Hopefully this bug get out of here, bro. This mosquito's gonna be tight. It's like when a mosquito comes in, you open the window for them, they don't want to go. But as soon as you close it, they appear. Okay. Pay attention. All right. I'm about trying this out now. I don't know what's going on with my thing. See if it wants to push. It will be a bumpy ass road. And I'm going to see if we could get the filled on NQ after this buy didn't go as planned. I'm going to take 4 off here. Hopefully it gets here. Bro, I don't know what's going on with my thing, but it's a lot of delay going on. I don't know if y'all see it. The last trade was close, above like $30 more. I don't want to stack anymore because you guys can see where we are in terms of price. I didn't sink. I had this. Right. Relative equal lows. Let's see if she wants to go ahead and run for them. I'll do whatever it is that she wants to do. This, I don't want to see this, man. Oh, there's mosquitoes in there. Like, this is why I don't like to leaving my outside door open for so long. I'm about to bring my cat in here and have him kill the little mug. Okay, so after this trade, if we do get taken out, I'm going to have to just sit on the sideline and just see what it is that Price wants to do. If she's willing to move lower and take out those Like, is she willing to leave today gap unfilled, and or fill in later or in the week, or if she's gonna go down lower? Because I thought we had something going on here. Same thing here, but I'm just gonna wait and see. Definitely do not like that. Man, interesting. Yo, there's a fly in here. You gotta kill him, man. He's like, where's that? There's a fly in here, Einstein. You gotta kill it. Yeah, I named my cat Einstein. He's part of my imagination. He was part of my imagination. He came alive. Facts. I did had a black cat too, and I called him Spooky. He was uh he was black, and then he reminded me of Halloween. The spooky cat. So I was like, I named him Spooky. It was dope. It was pretty dope. Man, I would add another position, but the way she going back and forth, I don't even want her to come back. Oh, I think died. My mouse died. Bro, I don't know if you can see this stupid mosquito, bro. My mouse died, and can't get it to work now. Jeez. My mouse doesn't want to work. Can I make this up, bro? So I'm having technical difficulty where my mouse doesn't want to work. And I don't even know where I left the other ones. Bro, how dead can you be? What's wrong with this? Like, literally. What the fuck is wrong? Bro, what is wrong with this shit, bro? Bro, you can't make this up. Let's see if this one works. Alright, so my mouse doesn't want to work. And this piece of shit of trade, look at this shit, bro. Alright, bro, you're not coming in, so I don't know what you're waiting for. That'd be uncomfortable, but yes. Yep, kill it. Do your job. Alright, so I had to use the wireless one. I don't like it because you hear that? Alright, we're gonna see. I'm gonna sell 4 here. They're in the same. They're not even in the same area, so I can't even do that, bro. Look at it. We have ES and premium and discount, and then we have ES and premium. Yeah, my son going into hibernate, into predator mode. He's trying to look for the for the mosquito. He ain't even coming out. I don't know why they let the mosquito in here, man. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to lower my risk because we not doing this. I'm gonna lower it. I am not doing this. Prices is retarded right now, bro. Like I don't even want it to come up here. It's just too much. That's a lot. It's too much of a retracement, bro. I don't. I'm not interested in seeing her doing that. So I'm gonna cut down that. Whatever happens here happens. I'm telling you, you can't get mad at, you know, I think killed it. Yes, killed that motherfucker. Kill him. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's done. That mosquito is definitely done. Do you think mission accomplished? All right, but as I was saying, that it do require a lot of patience, bro. This shit is not. It's not. It's not easy, bro. This shit is a pain in the neck, pain in the head, whatever you want to call it, bro. This shit hurt my head, my neck, my eyes, my soul. I'm not even lying, bro. Market, it's just been like it gotten tougher to just trade. Look at this. I might have just closed this trade if I'm honest, and then yeah, I don't like how this is moving, bro. It's no good. This is retarded. It's taking too long. But again, it could possibly be that since we had a big range from closing to open, that it might not close a gap. I don't know. But this is what we in this second sell, man. I mean the um second position, because the first one we did we went long after we got this displacement here. So I don't know. Let's see if yes, give another push after coming back into 30% FEG and our CIBI that was formed inside our displacement bullish candle. Do you think, Ken? Kill that little mug. Now go get your meal. Go eat. Go. Let's see if you actually kill it. Cause I closed the door. So let's see if the mosquito comes out. He was just playing with my emotions. Maybe there's two. I don't know. I don't wanna put that in the air. Alright, man, let's see what's up. Let's see what's up, bro. Are you gonna give me another push down lower? Stay below here so I could take away this red box here. These don't give me no wick like this, man. I'm gonna need to see this type of wick again. Don't do that. Don't do that. Like I understand that if NQ does go lower, it's gonna be in a choppy form. But man, do what you have to do, but don't give me this wick here. Don't do that. It's about to be 9 seconds. Are you able to close below here? That'll be wonderful. Are you able to do that? You got the strength. Come on. We have a little small one here for NQ. See that builds some momentum. I don't like this mouse, man. This is the clicking is it's crazy. But again, wireless mouse, man, it could happen. This could happen. Where you just start doing this shit. Normally, whenever I put it to charge, it turned on right away, but it didn't even do that. So you gotta have like 30 mouse. Alright, so I do like this rejection we got for NQ. We push lower. Does it push? Look how this shit looks in regular trading hours, bro. You cannot make this up. Like if she wants to go lower, she's gonna do it. And look at that, it's 10:16. 6 is like what? Am I gonna have to wait until micros, 1050 micros? That's insane, bro. This making me want to hit the gym, bro, and just go crazy on the weights. Just go into the gym and just lift 100. Just take the dumbbell that weighs 100 hands, bro. Just, even though I'm not even gonna be able to curl that. I think the max I could curl without no warm ups, I did 50, maybe. I know 40 definitely good. I never tried a 50 because I don't lift heavy when it comes to upper body. I usually train heavy when I'm doing like legs. All right, so we're gonna get taken out of here. I don't care. I prefer her doing what she has to do, and rather than us waiting for her to just retrace all the way up here. I'm not interested in that shit, bro. I'm not. Which is not. It's not. I'm not in the market for that shit, bro. This market is just straight booty cheeks. Yeah. Yeah. Like if it dropped from here, it's just crazy. Anyways, can't make this up, bro. The 5 minute look ugly as F. I might not be trading tomorrow because I gotta go and fix my glasses, man. I got these glasses for 6 years. I'll be taking a while long to change these. It's crazy because the more I change them, the crazier my vision get. It's 10:24. I'm starting to think that we will not get the field. Possibilitation. Am I here making up words? Hey, looking like my boy did really kill the mosquito. Kudos to him. Alright, so we did turn this into an inverted FUG. Let's see what it wants to do. Have another one below. We got so much going on, man. It's insane. Insane. So it's like I'm thinking of like, okay, so 11 a.m. comes, which is London, basically close. Does it mean that it's gonna go ahead and sweep like go to the downside and take out anything that it didn't take out, like these equal lows, or I mean relative equal lows. I'll put this on one and just put it like that. Just in case. The relative equal lows. Bro. Your purpose is unchanged. You're working for my good. Jesus, the rocks that never fail. The kingdom will not be shaken. By your stripes, I am healed. Okay, so we did came back into, did we? Let me see. Yeah, we did. Into this inversion. You would have been in this trade for an hour. Just letting it just go up and down like that. Look at that. An hour. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, literally. And it would have, given us some, but that was a crazy wick. 10:30, as early as 10:30. I remember that video I seen. Oh, Michael. The London retracement. Look at that. Look at that. That's a fast one, folks. Took that low out. Like we chopped that out. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off right here. That's a fact. Somebody does not touch market until a micro comes through. They're not even in sync, so I can't even think about taking a trade right now. Can't do that. I'm about to let this marinate for a little bit. Yeah, do that. Bro, it's stupid. It's a stupid. It's still not doing shit. This is stupido. This is stupid. So I could literally be like, okay, it's gonna drop from here. No, we no touch because there's no in sync. We no touch. Mm-mm. What time is it? It's 9:50. It's 10:50. It's micro. What are we doing, bro? All right. It's 11. Yeah, it's 11. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna stay looking at the market, see if I could get at least one more trade. If not, I'm just gonna leave it as is. But you guys stay safe, stay blessed. As always, peace, proper preparation, parental performance.